These were young people who had dreams. They were full of life, full of promise, and full of the courage that defines the children of working class and oppressed families. Those who know struggle not from history books, but from daily survival. They died while in pursuit of life. They were traveling with hope in their hearts, but the journey that should have taken them towards opportunity ended in tragedy. We must stop normalizing premature death in Black communities. We must stop mourning without changing the conditions that produce these moments of sorrow. Because these young people were not born to die in road accidents. They were born to build, to create, and to lead. If these young people had lived during 1976, they would have stood in the front lines with Tsietsi Mashinini, Khotso Seatlulo, Mbuyisa Makubo, and the many children who faced the bullets of apartheid, armed only with their youth and righteous cause. They would have said no to the imposition of Africans. They would have organized in their classrooms. They would have led marches, and they would have refused to be silenced.